4 is underway. They are here. Just want you to see what's here. Today they're going to be working on the office. Alright guys, he is in there working already on, he calls it surgery. He had his whole mask on and everything. I'm over here trying to figure out this light because I really want them to put it up. I don't know what to do. I hope they do. I feel like they would. But I'm going to do my best to make it as easy for them as possible. So we'll see when we come home if they're able to put it up. I also told him about this one because he asked. So hopefully he can put that one back up as well. All right. Day 4 is underway. Guys, once again, it's day 4. It's almost getting dark. So I was like, oh, let me go on and tell them that we're almost home to see what has been done. So here are the things that we're looking to see, guys. If you remember from just a few seconds ago, but from this morning for me, the office should be painted, and we did like a charcoal gray. We'll see how it looks. It's going from that red, which is my favorite color, to this charcoal gray. New vibe. See how that looks. And also we want to see if they were able to hang up the light fixture in the dining area. I wasn't able to put it together like I wanted to, but I feel like they would have more experience with that, with making sure the cords are going through the right part. So we'll see if they were able to do that. And I think he said they were also going to prep the bathroom. So these are the things that we're anticipating being done. Also this morning, I forgot to tell you guys, you know, that whole issue, well, we had an issue with our door. And it was sticking, and he was trying to fix it. But in fixing it, I think he kind of broke something. So he did say that he would pick up the part for us. Now, we have to pay for it. But he would repair it on him, which he should, because even though it wasn't the best, he broke it. So he's going to pick up that part and have it ready for tomorrow so we can fix that door situation. I also, you know what, I'm going to wait to after we see what was done today to tell you about the update on the banister, because I did get the quote today. Yeah, I'll see you at home. Smell the paint. I love the smell of paint. Oh, okay, so they did not address that at all. Okay. Did not address this. Maybe another day. But let's see. Here we go, guys. And we have no light in here, so can't even really see it. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to get a light so we can see what we're looking at. But you see a little bit of the gray? This is what happens. The one day I come home late is the day we want to actually see the color of the room. All right, we're gonna get a light and come back. All right, guys, I went and got the lamp that was in here originally. Plug it in, let there be light. All right, you guys ready? Let's see what we have. Okay. All right, wow. I like it. I like it. I'll also come in the morning for you guys to see it for the top of day 5. But the red is gone. It's like a whole nother room. The red is gone. I'm gonna take the light off just so we can get a little bit more light to see. Yeah, it's gray. It's a cool vibe. I don't miss the red, even though red is my favorite color. I'm excited about, imagine if new floors. This room is gonna look nice. Yay, guys! Looks good. All right. Okay, so I see. They did a little primer. It hasn't gone around the edges yet. Okay, so he'll get those edges tomorrow. First I thought it was tape, but I think he uses a little spray thing. But yeah, so far so good. I'm so excited. All right, let's go see if they prepped the bathroom upstairs for paint tomorrow. No, I think they told me when I talked, sorry guys, I'm turning this light and I'll move it out, but I want to leave it here so my husband can see when he comes home. Okay. All right, so let's go upstairs. All right. I saw her doing something on the wall here. I don't know what it is. Do you guys see, like, was she prepping something right here? Maybe a fine white line or something. Oh, okay. Oh. All right, so they have moved the old vanity out of the bathroom and taken off the mirror. So that's getting out of here. And this is the new vanity, as you guys know. So I guess they did prep the bathroom for paint. Wow, okay. So this is what it looks like in here. They put the toilet in the shower, which makes sense. And they also prepped so they can paint right there. So this is all, holes are all filled. So this is what it looks like. It's so weird to see the bathroom with everything out of it. Let's zoom out so you can get the full effect. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. It's currently blue. They fill in all the holes and the spots. Taking the towel bar off.